I am back again, and you are back again. It is Mrs. Ramses here again with another banger, another beautiful video. Thank you guys for tuning in again. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, hold up, where have you been? Just coming across my channel, I'm so grateful that you stopped by. Not to worry, you stopped by on a very good day, because today we're talking money, and I want to believe you love money as much as I do, because I love money. I love to discuss money. I love to make money, no matter how small. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how much a video with 91k views has fetched me so far versus a video with 38k views. 91k views is not my most viral video. My most viral video is 1.3 million views. I thought about using it, but I feel like let's be realistic, right? Because we don't get viral videos every day. And the one with 91k views is like my most recent viral. It's not viral, but my most recent video with good views, and that is why I chose this video. And this video was inspired by a lot of you that keep sending me lots and lots and lots of messages about starting up a YouTube channel. How much do I make? How much do I stand to make? So this video is going to give you a rough idea of how much I make. But if you want a detailed video about starting a YouTube channel and then the financial part of it, let me know. I'm here. I'm gonna dedicate myself to filming that for you. But now this is a different video. If you want to know how much that YouTube has paid me for these two videos, then please sit back, get your popcorn, relax, and keep watching.
My mate, hey, you made a permanent home in my head.
Before we dive into today's video, since we are talking money, I would like to tell you guys something. Come closer, come closer. Don't allow anybody here. Don't tell them that I told you. You can tell them, but let me tell you first. If you live in the UK, you know that, I don't know for you guys, but for me, anytime I have to send money home, I'm busy calling people and looking for the best possible way to send money, in the sense that I do not want to lose money. And now I have found a good way, and I'm bringing it to you guys proudly. It is my proud, absolute pleasure to introduce you guys to the Elero Remit app. Elero Remit is a money remittance company that allows people and businesses send money from the UK to other African countries and even India quickly, without struggles, without hassle, without wahala. I have literally introduced everyone around me to this app. The Elero Remit app is beautiful to use, because definitely when you use some other means of sending money, you know that you end up paying for hidden charges here and there, and ain't nobody got time for that. Nobody likes, I do not like, and I don't think that you like to pay hidden charges when you want to send money home, So with this app, they offer the best exchange rate on the market. They offer the best exchange rates to Nigeria, my country, and to so many other countries. And that is one of the reasons why I love to use the Elero Remit app. If you want to send money to India, Ghana, Gambia, Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda, Tanzania, Senegal, South Africa, different African countries, Gambia, you name it, the Elero Remit app is your go-to app, because it is instant, it is drama free, it is hidden charges free. What more can anybody ask for? You guys know what it is. If you live in the UK, you know that you have to send money home. For me, I send money home, to be honest, like 2 to 3 times a week, because I've got projects here and there that I'm taking care of in Nigeria. I've got people, I've got family, I've got people doing birthdays, gifts here and there, and you don't want to be like, it's literally a problem. One time I used to spend a lot of money sending money to Nigeria, but not again, never again. That is why I am bringing you guys the good news of the Elero Remit app. Let me tell you, since we're talking about money, if you use my unique referral code Mrs. Ramses when you're signing up, you're going to get £2.99 free of charge. Hey, I like money. And let me tell you, if you introduce people to the app, when they do their first transaction, their first transfer, you're going to get £11. Even in KFC, you spend up to £11. You can take 2 people to KFC with £11. You're going to get £11 for referring people. Each person that you bring, this is not MMM, this is not Ponzi. This is legit beautiful business. Like, that's why it's not big money. It's not 100 million. It is £11 and it is £2.99. What are you waiting for? I know some of you already use the Ilero Remit, but this is me introducing other people to the Ilero Remit app. Aside the fact that they offer the best rates, I like the fact that people get their money sharp. Not the one that you'll be asking somebody, have you gotten the money? I sent it 100 years ago. I sent it. This money is being received by the recipient as quickly as possible. And again, you know, they have multiple customer service channels. I have never had any issues or any need to contact the customer service, but I like the fact that they're not faceless people, because we're talking about money here. This is money is involved. So I like the fact that if there's any issue, there are people, there are ways to reach out to them, and they are always readily available 24/7 to serve you. They also have multiple payment methods like bank deposit, cash pickups, and the rest of that. So what are you waiting for? See, do not forget to make your own £2.99. That's almost £3. Use my code when you're signing up, Mrs. Ramses, and get £2.99, and refer your friends so that you can make, I know you will refer your friends even if you're not going to make money. It's beautiful. Of course, when you see good things, you refer people. So for referring people, you're getting money. What are you waiting for? Go to my description box. You're going to see the link to downloading the app. Download the app and start transferring money and start making money today. Don't forget to come and give me offering. Oh. Let's jump right into today's video. For the business of today, I'm going to be as direct as can be, and I'm going to be as quick as possible. And if you see me looking down, I've got my phone, so I'm looking at the analytics of this video. This is the video where I talked about moving back to Nigeria after 1 year in the UK, and a lot of people misunderstood this video. However, this video performed well on my channel. This video was posted on the 10th of October, and it is just basically a month and some days old, and so far I have gotten 91,305 views. And this video really performed well because it got 6.4k watch time more than usual, and it fetched me 1.4k subscribers. So 1,400 people subscribed to my channel just because of this video. Maybe you liked it, but I'm really grateful. I'm going to be comparing this to the other video where I filmed at the African store. You guys also liked that video. You guys made the African store, even though I've done 2 videos there, you guys made the African store recognize me, because like, who is this girl? She did a video before, she's doing a video again. And this video had good views. So far, it has had 38,165 views, and it performed well as usual. It performed better than usual. It got 2.6k watch time more than usual. Remember, the other one had 6.7k more than usual. This has 2.6k more than usual. This one fetched me 359 subscribers. And then let's now talk about how much that I have made from both videos. This video of the African store with the 38,165 views, I have gotten, or I made $103, which honestly is not the best, but I'm very grateful for how much it has fetched me, because sometimes you can literally make less than that. And that is because I personally do not know what determines the RPM and the CPM. For those that are new to YouTube, CPM is the cost per 1,000 views that advertisers are willing to pay for that video. And then RPM is what YouTube decides to pay you from what the advertisers are going to pay. So for this video, the advertisers are paying $7.32, which is not a lot. And YouTube also now decided that what they want to pay me is $2.71 per 1,000 views. So it's not really a lot. There are videos that will have like RPMs of $12, and YouTube can give you like $6 or $7. So just to I'm saying all of this to let you know that, you know, some months are good, some months are bad, some videos are good, some videos are bad. So nobody knows what really determines the RPM and CPM fluctuations. But so far, YouTube is paying me $2.71. All right, let's go back to the other video. Let us see the RPM, the CPM, and how much I have made. The 38k owner, I have made $103 something. And then back to the one of 91k. This video is really going fast because I filmed this video yesterday. Yesterday it was 90,500 and something. It's just that I did not like the lighting, so I had to redo it. You're going to see that in a vlog. So this video, the RPM of this video was really, the CPM and RPM were really good at the time that this video kicked off, even though I cannot remember how much. It was really good, but it dropped. Like I said, these things fluctuate. You do not know. But the good thing about all these things is that no matter how tiny the money is, we're talking about money here, no matter how tiny the money is, it's for life. Like for life, it's going to keep making you money every single month. So far, the CPM for this video with 91k plus views is $6.77, and YouTube are paying me $3.96, like at the moment, right? It can go up, it can still go down. So they're paying me $3.96 per 1,000 views. So far, I have been able to make $356.69 from this video. All right, there are so many things that determines how much you make, like where your viewers, let me go to the audience, where your viewers are watching from and stuff like that. For this one, I've got people watching a lot from Nigeria. Majority of my audience for this video, they're coming from Nigeria, and that is why I'm not earning much. If it was from the States, because most of my videos, I get majority of people, okay, before I moved, now that I have moved, I get people from UK and Nigeria more than the US. But when I was in Nigeria, I would say I used to get people watch more from the US. So this is the first time that I'm seeing that Nigeria is 47.2%. So 47.2% people are watching from Nigeria, and then 16.6% from the UK, 9.6% from the US, and then you have Ghana, Canada, and the rest. So that is another thing that has affected how much that I have made so far from this video. All right, people that want to start up YouTube channels, I keep saying start it if you want to, but do not start it for money, because it's not certain. All right, so many people make money. I watched a video of a guy that made about $53,000 from a video. That video had 11 million views. He lives in the UK, and then he converted it to pounds. It was about 46,000 pounds. So you have the tendency, or we all have the tendencies to blow up on YouTube and make good money. However, it is not certain. All right, it's not 1 + 1 is equals to 2. So there are people that would start up channels, and for 3 years they've not even gotten to the threshold of 1,000 subscribers, so they cannot even be monetized. So it takes a lot of hard work, a lot of struggle, a lot of patience. And mind you, you're not filming for free. There's time going into it, there's a lot of money going into it, resources here and there going into it. For somebody like me, I've got a very good camera, I've got a drone, I've got my tripods. I used to have all those lightings when I was back in Nigeria. I haven't bought here yet. And you guys know that somebody gifted me an iPhone 14 Pro Max. So that is money. Imagine that I had to buy the iPhone because I was going to buy a new phone anyways. That is a lot of money going in. So you don't want to start YouTube for money. You're going to get frustrated. This is my own honest advice. I might be wrong, but this is the way that I see it, because a lot of times, if it was money, I would have literally given up on my channel. So sometimes, passion keeps you going. The fact that you love this thing keeps you going. Some people, it's the fact that they stand a chance to make big money that keeps them going. So find what works for you. If you think that you want to go ahead, why not? But this is me also encouraging you that if you're subscribed to a YouTuber, don't just subscribe. I don't just subscribe for subscribing's sake. If I'm subscribed to you, I am willing to support you. So if you're subscribed to a YouTuber, understand that they earn a living from these videos. So please try to support as much as you can. Try to watch more of the ads. Out of 91,300 people, not everybody watched the advert. Maybe very few. If a lot of people have watched the advert, maybe I would have making like maybe $700 from that video. And if the viewers came from, the US, like I said earlier. So this is me doing this for the first time. And I'm encouraging you, if you think that YouTube is what you want for yourself, keep at it. Like I said in one of my videos that I did last week, I said, do not be the reason why you're not going to succeed. Because if you give up, now you lose. You understand? So if you give up, you've not given yourself an opportunity to make money. You've not given yourself an opportunity to blow up. So no matter what is working against you, make sure you're not working against yourself. If you want to do this, go ahead. If you think it's not for you, because sometimes YouTube affects people's mental health. I have been there before, because of course, to whom much is given, much is expected. So giving so much and not getting half of what you're giving is quite frustrating. So if you know it's not for you, your mental health is at stake, it's not worth it. Go into something else. All right, I hope that this video helps. If you like such videos, you want me to do more videos about how much I have earned so far on YouTube, or how much I earned last year, or things like this, let me know. I'm here and willing and able and capable of filming that. But before I sign out, I'd like to tell you to please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to check my description box and sign up to the Elero Remit app and thank me later. All right, start making money, start referring people, start transferring money, and stop paying ridiculous amounts to make a common transfer, because Elero Remit makes it common. Like, it's just a transfer. All right, guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you think that you love my content, or you love me and you want to see more videos from me, then this is the opportunity to smash the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell beside the button, so that you're going to be among the first set of people to know when I bring good news, to know when I bring a new video your way. All right, I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and know that I love you. Bye, guys.